So today we are showing you the Premium Lounge at the Toronto Pearson Airport. It is right next to the Air France Lounge, which is currently closed. So the Plaza Premium Lounge is available to certain AMEX and Visa card members. We have an AMEX Platinum card, so that's what we use to enter. So you'll check in on the left-hand side when you come through the front door. And then when you make a left here, you'll see that this is access to the lounge. It's a pretty basic lounge, but it's great. You have like a lot of private space just to hang out and chill until you're boarding. You get free drinks and food. And there's also a shower in this lounge as well. So check it out with me. It's pretty simple. It's gonna be a quick video, but I want to show everyone what you get with this Plaza Lounge. Here they have massage and shower rooms that are listed over here. So there is a section where you can get a massage area as well as private bathrooms. There is a shower section as well. This is a great little lounge because there is a changing room in here for anyone that has the newborn baby or any babies that need to be wearing diapers and changed, as well as all your private bathrooms. And then there's a buffet in the back. If you are traveling with your kids, they have a great little playroom set up for them. I think it actually might be blocked off due to COVID, which sucks. Yeah, still closed, but when it opens up, that'll be great.